I'm awake. I'm still tired. What time is it? I'm running late.
I brush my teeth every morning. Keeping your teeth clean is important. My teeth feel clean now.
I'm taking a shower. What should I wear today? I'm running late.
Good morning, Mom. Good morning, Jake. That smells amazing. I'm hungry. Here you go. Thank you. You're welcome.
Where are you going?
I'm heading to work. I'm going to school.
The traffic is heavy. The bus is crowded.
I'm almost there. Don't be late. Have a great day.
Excuse me, can you help me? Where is the milk? How much is this? I'll take it. Can I pay by card?
Here's my receipt.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
How are you? I'm doing great. What's new?
Long time no see.
Really?
That's awesome.
Really?
Let's hang out.
See you soon.
May I take your order?
I'd like a burger.
Anything else? Can I have some water? Here you go. Enjoy your meal.
The food is amazing.
Can I get the bill?
Keep the change.
Thank you.
I'm finally home.
How was your day?
It was great. Let's relax.
I'm watching TV.
I'm tired.
Time for dinner.
Hi, everyone.
How are you?
Did you have a good day?
Yes.
What's for dinner?
What's for dinner? That smells delicious.
Sure, set the table.
Dinner is ready. Let's sit down.
Thank you for the meal.
This looks amazing. I'm full now.
Let's clean up.
I'm going to watch TV. Let's watch a movie.
What's on tonight?
This show is funny. I love this episode.
Can you pass the remote?
Sure. Let's sit on the couch.
It's getting late. I'm feeling sleepy. I should get ready for bed.
Good night, everyone. See you tomorrow. Sleep well. Sweet dreams. Good night and